Hi friends, I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Today on the channel, we are going to go over how to make a DAS Pass ride selection. Before we begin, I do want to say that I do have 2 other DAS Pass videos already on the channel if you would like to check those out. And if you have any questions, please leave those in the comments. So first off, you're going to choose the menu button right at the bottom. And if you have already registered, you will see on the menu page where it says DAS. You are going to scroll down to DAS. You're going to choose that. Today we were in Animal Kingdom, and you can see all the different wait times for everything at Animal Kingdom. I went ahead and chose Navi River Journey, and you can see right here where it says DAS 120. You will then click on DAS. It will then pull up everyone, including the lead guest who is on the DAS Pass itself. Go ahead and click on everyone who wants to ride with the DAS Pass guest. Also, Disney only allots 5 guests to ride with the DAS Pass member. So if your party is larger than 5, I say go ahead and make sure everyone knows who will be riding on the DAS Pass. Once you have made your ride selection, you will see it in your future plans. Once you have scanned in at that ride, you will be able to make another ride selection. Also, you do get a 1-hour window similar to the Lightning Lanes to ride your DAS Pass ride. If you have any questions about DAS or how to get your ride selections, please leave them below. We hope you guys are having a blessed day. Please like and subscribe to join our community. Have a great day, guys.